EdApp is a mobile learning company. They knew that product notifications could help them increase monthly active users and improve course completion rates, but they were struggling with the limits of their in-house system. They estimated it would take at least 6 months to build a better notification system, but that was time better spent on their core product. EdApp looked for solutions and came across Knock, Courier, and OneSignal. They put together a 7-page document to evaluate vendors, and Knock scored highest across those requirements. With their mindset on Knock, the EdApp team implemented Knock in production in less than a week. And since notifications no longer live in code, teams across the company use Knock to create and improve notifications. Using Knock's Datadog and segment extensions, their notification system integrates seamlessly with the rest of their stack instead of feeling like a third-party black box. In addition to a happy engineering team, notifications have helped EdApp increase learner engagement, with course completion rates increasing 2x and course open rates increasing by 41%. Read the full case study for more details.